In the realm of cryptography, artificial intelligence has achieved remarkable feats, pushing the boundaries of security and innovation. AI's application in cryptography has ushered a new era of robust protection and advanced techniques. Machine learning algorithms have demonstrated exceptional prowess in breaking codes and deciphering complex encryption methods, greatly enhancing our understanding of vulnerabilities. Yet, paradoxically, AI has also become a formidable guardian of data privacy. Its ability to swiftly identify patterns and anomalies enables the development of highly secure encryption systems that adapt and evolve to counter emerging threats. AI's role in quantum cryptography cannot be overstated. As quantum computing threatens to undermine classical encryption, AI has become instrumental in creating quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms. These algorithms, fortified by AI's analytical power, promise to safeguard sensitive information in post-quantum computing landscape. In key management, AI has revolutionized the process of generating, distributing, and protecting cryptographic keys. By leveraging neural networks, AI systems generate stronger, unpredictable keys, reducing the risk of brute force attacks. Moreover, AI-driven authentication systems such as biometric recognition have elevated cryptographic protocols, ensuring only authorized individuals gain access to encrypted data. Collaborative efforts between AI and cryptography have birthed secure multi-party computation protocols. These protocols allow multiple parties to compute over shared data while keeping their inputs private. AI orchestrates this intricate dance of calculations, opening the door to secure data analysis without exposing sensitive information. Furthermore, AI's natural language processing capabilities have enabled advancements in homomorphic encryption. This groundbreaking technique allows computation on encrypted data, maintaining privacy throughout the process. AI's linguistic finesse aids in constructing efficient algorithms that perform calculations without compromising data integrity. In the ongoing battle against adversarial attacks, AI has become both a shield and a sword. Machine learning algorithms fortify encryption by identifying potential attack patterns and devising countermeasures, while adversarial AI employs innovative tactics to simulate threats, exposing vulnerabilities and enhancing cryptographic defenses. In short, the synergy between artificial intelligence and cryptography has yielded unprecedented achievements. From deciphering codes to safeguarding quantum data, AI has solidified its role as a driving force behind cryptographic innovations, ensuring a secure digital landscape in an ever-evolving technological landscape.